Hi there, I will show you how to replace the cabin air filter on the Renault Megane 3. Usually the cabin air filters come with the instructions to remove the glove box, but you don't really need to remove it because you can do it without that. Without removing the glove box, you can save some time. It will take you approximately, let's say, 4 or 5 minutes. Location of cabin air filter is located under the plastic cover. Before removing the air filter cover, you need to unscrew 2 Torx 20 screws. You really don't need to put back the screws because the 2 clips holding the plastic cover on its place. Only what you need to remove is 2 plastic covers, the bigger one and the small one, the plastic cover of the air filter. Before removing the air filter cover with your fingers, you need to press the plastic cover clips on both sides. Take out the old filter.
It's a stink of skunks!
So fresh. Before inserting the new filter, always check the airflow direction. You should also check the shape of the cabin air filter, because if you try to put it in different position, it will not be possible to insert the air filter. If it's dirty, you should clean it before putting back the cabin air filter. Put in the new filter. We're putting back the plastic covers. And we are done. I hope that this video was useful. See you next time.